So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a sink here, or a faucet here in the kitchen. You can see it's a Delta, and model number, it's the Ashton. So 19922Z SSD DST, so it's stainless steel. Real nice faucet, magnetic docking. Homeowners, I think they got this right out of Lowe's. So anyways, faucet's installed. Old one's in the box. It was corroded and leaking for years and years. You got some damage down here. Sorry about there not being any light down here. But great, great docking system by Delta. We love their faucets. Everything's installed, so you won't have any trouble with that. We did go ahead and replace a little gasket. Homeowner purchased an air gap with a brush nickel cover or stainless steel cover, and so we replaced the rubber gasket there, and then of course put the new cover on so it matches the faucet. Did come with a soap dispenser, so if you do a remodel in here and you get a sink, request a 5-hole sink. So this one is a 4-hole sink, 3 holes for the faucet and then 1 hole for the air gap. So you need one over there, and they do make it. We recommend Kohler cast iron. It's a 33-inch by a 22-inch. And then just pop that in there, tile it in, and then you're good to go. So anyways, everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.